Wrapping up the week of trade here on Friday for the daily market summary on the Iowa Agribusiness Radio Network. And I'm joined today by Ethan Robson of agmarket.net. Ethan, we know we have a lot on the calendar to take account of early in the week next week. So how did we close out the trade here in the grains on Friday?
Yeah, a week or so in the week here, have July corn down about 3 cents, 4.11 and 3/4, 4.12 settlement. These corn down about 4.41 and a half. July soybeans down about 3.5 cents as well, 11.26 and a quarter. New crop soybeans down to 11.56 and a quarter. Wheat market down anywhere from 11 to 13 cents there. Just a reminder, today was an option expiration for July contracts, and then first notice day Monday. So gotta get out of all long positions by close of Monday afternoon.
So, Ethan, in your opinion, here today is most of the trade just, I guess, getting those positions set to where traders would like ahead of, as you mentioned, the end of the options ending today, and then on Monday the first notice day, and then of course the big report day on Tuesday.
Yeah, expecting a lot of position squaring coming ahead to Tuesday's acres and grain stocks report. On top of that, too, you also have end of month and end of quarter as well. So you got managed money sitting on their desk, trying to reposition themselves accordingly, see where they want their money flow, where that best investment is. Seeing a lot of money come out of the agriculture complex going into other areas as well, equities, metals, you name it. So going to be interesting to see after that U.S. acres and grain stocks report. That's going to be the main market mover going forward. But as we enter July, where that money flow ultimately decides to go.
And then speaking of the report day on Tuesday, like you mentioned, the acreage report and then the quarterly grain stocks. Of course, our eyes are going to go to those acreage numbers right away. What else are you interested in finding out on that report day Tuesday?
Yeah, that grain stocks report is going to be interesting as well. That's probably going to be that's the underlying factor here, just to see where price action decides to go for the rest of the summer. Average trade guess for corn expecting about 5.4 billion bushels. Their USDA in June 2025 was 4.643. So that just speaks to how much corn's still out there on the marketplace, right? Left unpriced or unused year over year. Soybean wise, average trade estimate there about 1.04 billion bushels. USDA June 2025 was close to that, about 1.0 even. So expecting overall the grain stocks report to still show there's a lot of corn, soybeans, wheat still left on the marketplace. And that kind of shows with flat prices too and basis levels, old crop basis levels across the marketplace. It's just how much grain is still out there, and we're seeing that with some of the price action today.
Now, with everything happening on the grain side, the livestock has taken a little bit of a back seat, but what did the trade look like today for cattle and hogs?
Yeah, cattle side, live cattle August down $1.40, 245, 82 and a half. Feeder cattle, that August contract down about $3.45 today. Taking a little bit of a breather there. That feeder cattle contract there went right close to that 10-day moving average, trying to find a little bit of support there. See if managed money wants to continue to buy against that 10-day moving average. Haven't had a close below that since the initial New World Screwworm case at June 4th. So going to be important to see managed money protect that 10-day moving average to keep us moving forward.
What's the best way for our viewers to get in touch for more marketing information?
Yeah, visit us online, agmarket.net. Give us a call here in Bloomington Normal. Happy to help any way we can. 309-454-4145. Thank you.
He is Ethan Robson of agmarket.net, my guest here for the daily market summary. Ethan, thanks for all of the information here today. Busy week next week. We appreciate it and have a great rest of the day.
Yep, thank you.